it's totally unacceptable, in my view, if you're looking to hire a board position to send out a 2-page job specification. One of the things that we need to understand is the process that we go through when undertaking a search on behalf of the client. And I think that really starts with investing the time with the client. It's to understand what is their immediate need, what is the opportunity for somebody joining their business today over the next 3 to 5 years. Because it's not about somebody joining the business today and doing that role. It's about where is the potential for growth from the candidate's point of view. Who are the key stakeholders within the business, and engaging with those key stakeholders. If we're recruiting for a particular role in the business, I just don't want to speak to the hiring manager. I want to be engaging with other people in the business who this individual is going to be interacting with. And that takes some time. And I think that for me is such an important investment of time at the beginning of that process, because it allows me to go away and do my job properly. And I think once we've got an understanding of what the role is, and quite often, particularly with some of the smaller clients that we're working with, they don't have a job specification. And in the past, we've helped people put together job specifications and work closely to define what this individual role needs to be in a business. And then it's putting together collateral that's going to support the recruitment process, and something that's going to encourage a candidate to look at this particular business. It's totally unacceptable, in my view, if you're looking to hire a board position to send out a 2-page job specification. It just doesn't work. It doesn't portray my client's business in the best light. So we put together, in conjunction with the client, a candidate prospectus that gives a background to the organization, talks about the future potential, the future growth plans. And yes, it includes job specification, but that's really the last part of that. And then is also understanding from the client is what are they looking for from this individual? What is the experience? Again, if it's a technical role, what is the background, the technical background they require? If it's a financial role, what skills do they need to have? If it's a CEO role, do they looking for CEOs taking a business from 5 million to 50 million, or from 50 million to IPO? And it's understanding these key criteria at the outset. And then we undertake a really in-depth piece of market mapping. And the advantage of working with a specialist in any field is that we're already one step ahead of that, because we've done this on numerous occasions. And across the food and ingredients sector, we've mapped out basically every company across Europe and every company across North America, ranging from the largest to the smallest. So we've got a really good insight into the industry. And once we've done that, it's a case of then sharing this data with our clients. It's not about taking a brief from a client, disappearing off for 6 to 8 weeks and coming back with a short list. There's got to be this constant communication and open dialogue between myself and the client. And part and parcel of that is understanding from a client's perspective if there are any off limits. There might be companies that our clients have joint ventures with. There might be companies that are in negotiation with the client. And for me to then go and approach people in those businesses is unethical and unprofessional. So it's sharing this data and having this ongoing dialogue with our clients to keep them aware of what we're doing. And once we've got that definitive, if you like, target list, our role is then to identify and engage with the correct people in those businesses. Sometimes roles that we recruited on are extremely confidential. And that takes a different approach to a role that isn't confidential. And again, this all comes back to understanding from the outset what the client is dealing with. Shall I carry on?